Let's delve deeper where the shadows of misleading averages take shape in cold, hard numbers. Consider this. In the 1990s, the U.S. Census Bureau reported that the median household income was around $50,000. At first glance, this number suggests a comfortable standard of living for the average American family. But when we dig deeper, we find that this median masked a stark reality: income inequality. The top 1% of earners were pulling the average up significantly, leaving the middle and lower classes with incomes far below this average. In another study, researchers found that when the top 1% of incomes were excluded, the so-called average income dropped by nearly 10%. This is the danger of averages. They can distort our perception, painting a picture of prosperity when the reality is far bleaker for the majority. Consider the world of healthcare. A study on hospital wait times reported an average wait of 30 minutes in emergency rooms across a large city. Yet, when the data was broken down, it was revealed that some patients waited less than 10 minutes while others languished for over 2 hours. The average wait time was misleading, creating a false sense of efficiency and masking the true experience of many patients. Or take education. A school district might proudly announce that their students scored an average of 85% on a standardized test. But without understanding the distribution of those scores, we might miss that while a few students achieved near-perfect scores, a significant number struggled with scores in the 60s or lower. The average in this case hides the disparities, concealing the need for intervention and support for those who are falling behind. In the corporate world, companies often report average salaries to project a sense of fairness and competitiveness. Yet, a 2018 study found that the average salary at a tech company was $150,000. However, a closer look revealed that while executives were earning millions, a large portion of employees were earning less than $80,000. The average was again a mirage, obscuring the true distribution of wealth within the company. These numbers are not just abstract figures, they are reflections of real lives, real experiences. We must recognize that averages can mislead, that they can create a false sense of reality. They can smooth over the rough edges of data, presenting a neat, clean figure that tells us nothing of the outliers, the extremes, the truths hidden in the margins. As Levitin cautions, misleading statistics don't just skew our perception, they shape policy, influence decisions, and change the course of lives. When we see a figure like an average income, an average test score, or an average wait time, we must pause. We must ask, what is being hidden behind this number? What is the true story that the average is concealing? We live in a world where numbers are often used as weapons, wielded to create narratives that serve specific agendas. By understanding the difference between accuracy and precision, by questioning averages and seeking the full picture, we can defend ourselves against these weapons. We can cut through the lies and reveal the truths that lie beneath. In this quest for truth, we are not alone. We are part of a collective, a movement of minds dedicated to clarity, to understanding, to seeing the world as it truly is, not as it is presented to us. Together, we can navigate the complex landscape of lies and statistics, emerging on the other side with the knowledge and wisdom to make sense of the world.